again, the stretch doesn't just get the abductor muscles. It opens up the chest as well. Helps relieve lower back. As you see that rotation in the spine, you keep the upper back firmly down, especially the shoulder blades. Left arm out to the side. Stretches some of the glute muscles. That's the abductor stretch. So, how to get into it? Similar to the hamstring stretch, legs in the air, both legs are straight. Tanya's just doing this on the left leg first. So, left leg straight, bend, put the strap on, put the strap, front part of the foot, flex the foot back. So just hold it there. You're going to hold the strap in the opposite arm. So Tanya's got the strap on the left foot, the leg is straight at the ankle as best we can above the knee, above the hip, holding the strap in the right arm. The left arm is out to the side in a 9 o'clock position. Now the right leg, it's straight, the foot is flexed back, and you're going to rotate that foot inwards, internal rotation. And that was to help stop the body from rolling over. And now just slowly take that leg across the body, and you're using the strap to help pull you down. Now you can actually prefer turning the head and looking over to the left shoulder. You're getting more spinal mobility, but the main reason for turning the head over the left shoulder is to help keep the left shoulder, the upper back and the ribs firmly down. Looking at logically, we're trying to rotate the spine as well. You get great spinal rotation with this one. But if you allow the shoulder to lift, just allow the shoulder to really come up a lot, then you're just turning your body if you do that. Anyone can turn the body. We're trying to rotate the spine as well, so keep the shoulders down. And now, to prevent, just exaggerate rolling the left pelvis forward as if you're turning over. To help prevent that from happening, the left leg is in turn in. So go back to a sensible position. The left leg, just exaggerate turning that in. It just helps prevent, and you might find you can't lower that leg down as much, but that's fine. Stretching off the glute muscles, stretching off the abductor muscles. And now Tanya was using a block before. You can also use a bolster. And as all these leg ones, obviously then you'd be swapping sides as well. So again, you'd be waiting for tissues to give, and you might find if Tanya was to hold this position for several minutes, 2 minutes or whatever, then the tissues will ease off, and you might be able to do away with the bolster altogether, or go to a lower bolster or a lower prop. And that's the abductor stretch.